2, 3. Right here, but get still. Tigasan mo ng konti. Tapos, 2. Kaya na ginahaba. 1, 2, 3. Okay? And then, after that, this is called the DOM dance. Your backs are straight. Now arch your back to this. This. Kaya naman osteoporosis ka. Just open your flap, okay? And then you go like this. Pustiso. Itong lower lip, mas mahaba dito sa upper lip mo. Yan, sige. So that's your step, okay? Jonathan. Jonathan, ang laki ng pao.